1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
If you're in the market for a pontoon that is stunning on the water, packed with incredible performance and loaded with a lot of features, this is the one. It's the 2026 Premier Solaris 230 RL. Let's check it out. Before we hop in and check out all the great features on the inside, I do want to point out some really neat things Premier does on the outside. First of which is they actually double press all their panels. So this is two pieces of aluminum bonded together. It is very rigid and robust. It's actually eggshell pattern, so you can't see scratches as you do on the boat over time. Features this oversized heavy-duty rub rail that has this beautiful style line to it. Inside that style line, we actually have some accent lighting that's an option that we put on it. This boat features the Eclipse Blackout package, so you'll get a black rub rail, black nose cones, as well as this black trim piece to tie into our black rails to give you a really elegant look out on the water. Here at the Transom, you can see we have a lot going on. First of which, you can see we have these standard stern safety rails and chains, keeps you safe as you're underway. This boat features the 28-inch PTX tube design that's patented from Premier. It's 125 gauge aluminum. It actually is shaped like the V-hull bottom of a boat. So this boat will actually bank in the turns like a traditional boat would or a sports car. With that design, you actually get a 47-gallon fuel tank. We option this with a Mercury 250 horsepower Verado V8 engine. Pushes this boat perfectly, comes standard with power steering when you select that motor. On the back, you can see we have this Ricochet automatic stowing ladder. It is 4 inches wide to give you a lot of tread and depth to be able to get in and out of the water with ease. Coming inside, you can see, first of all, we have this nice bow see-through gate. Makes it really easy to see as you're coming up to the dock, that way you don't bump into it. This boat features a beautiful new interior upgrade. This is the firewood base with a twilight twill accent. Notice how they actually diamond stitch inside the pleating to give you a nice look. New for 2026 are these flip down armrests, similar to what you would get on the Intrigue. They're a great upgrade. They come standard on this boat. The couches themselves feature 4 cup holders as well as a charging port to plug in your USB-A or USB-C device. This boat also features the mahogany teak flooring, ties in great with the firewood base. There are a lot of different color options you can do to make this boat your own. Moving aft, first you'll see we actually have RGB accent lighting on our speakers as well as our toe kick lights. This boat with that PTX 28-inch tube design gives you a lot more storage, so actually that's why you'll see we have a large ski locker lid. See, we have the cover in there. It's a great place to put a lot of bulkier objects you want out of the way but easy access to. The raised helmet is standard. Comes with easy access to your storage as well as a lockable feature and a trash can. Moving midship, you can see Premier did a great job taking care of the co-captain. You get this beautiful chair with this diamond stitching that's ultra comfortable, along with a speaker caddy and 2 cup holders. At the helm, you can see, first of all, we have this standard raised captain's helm. It's 4 inches to give you great visibility. With that, you actually get this nice glove box in the top versus a windshield. Still blocks a lot of the wind off of you, but gives you more functionality. On the Solaris models, it comes standard with 1 9-inch screen. The boat we have selected here actually has 2 9-inch Simrads. We also have controls to all of our interior and exterior accent lighting, our power bimini top that you can actually get in 10 or 12 feet depending on how much sun coverage you had. And then new for this year, they actually feature a wet sound stereo with 6 speakers, accent lighting, a 10-inch subwoofer, and a digital amp to give you great sound quality while you're out on the water. This helm also features a wireless charger for your phone, as well as easy access to a cool cup holder. That way your drinks are cold while you're out on the water, a digital throttle. This is actually my favorite feature on the Premier Solaris 230 RL, this 4-way sunbed. So this actually holds 6 adults in the upright position that we have it now. We'll actually convert and make a forward or an aft-facing sunbed where you have a backrest, or you can lay completely flat and have a full-size bed at the transom. In it, we also have 8 cup holders as well as a glove box with a charging port to keep your devices charged. It is a great feature that Premier did an excellent job designing. And I think it's what sets the inside of this boat apart from everything else on the market. If you enjoyed touring the #1 sold Premier model at SKIER'S Marine, the 230 Solaris RL, as much as I did showing it to you, and are interested in more info, call or visit your local SKIER'S Marine location or shop online at skiersmarine.com. Thanks for watching.